So today we will do the selection part. So we'll learn about the selection. Okay. The selection, we'll try this in the coding. Right. So now we will try here. So when you see this flowchart, what do you understand now? Start. You input the number. If the number is greater than yes, then you have to print the number as positive. Otherwise, you don't display anything. So here, if the input is only positive, print the number. Okay. If it is input is only, if input number is only positive, you print the number. So here they have put positive number. So here the question is, if the input number is only positive, print the number. We have to print the number. Here there's a small mistake here, print the number. Right. So how we can do this one? So now you know how do you go to the Pascal? So here you go and type say online Pascal online compiler. So tutorial point dot. Okay. Right. Now we will so here we will do this coding. Say program positive. Program positive input, comma, output. Okay, right. So then next part is, so before begin, you have to define the variable section. We have to define the variable section. Then we will write, say, write ln. Okay. So write ln. They enter the number. Enter number. Okay, enter number. Then we'll say read ln. So you get the number you define here. So that means whatever is that is you define the n here. So to that variable you get it. So then you will say if n greater than 0. If n greater than 0, then right ln 8. Okay. If it is positive, you print the number. So then execute. Yeah, semicolon expected. Where the semicolon expected? The variable statement. Variable statement. Wow. Yes. Okay, enter the number. Say we'll enter 0. So it doesn't display. If you type 89, so we'll run again. So we'll say 890. So yeah, it is displaying that number. So again, if you run it, if you put minus 78, it doesn't display anything. Okay. So okay, you understand about this part? You understand this part?
Yes, uncle.
So have you done this part at your home?
At school, uncle?
No, now as a homework, have you done it?
Yeah, I did that. Variable.
Right. So then, so this part also you did?
Yes, uncle.
Then no need to do, no? I no need to do, no?
No,
This part, have you done it?
no, uncle, I didn't.
Ah. So then I will do this part. So clearly see here, in this question, so in this question, what we have to do is, say, you have to enter the marks. If the marks is greater than 75, you have to get the grade as A. So here, if the mark is greater than 65, then grade B. If the mark is greater than 50, then grade C. If the mark is greater than 35, then grade is S. Else, say fail. Okay. So then I will start that program. So I'll clear everything. So I will clear the variable part. So I will clear this one. So here, grade 4 marks. Grade 4 marks. Input, output. Here the variable section, say here the variable section, you have to define the variable. M integer, and the grade, say we'll say 1 character. Okay, char mean only 1 character. Okay, char mean only 1 character. So then you can see here, right ln, enter marks. enter marks, title enter marks. Then you say read the marks. Okay, now carefully see how I type the if condition. Say if m greater than equal to 75, m greater than equal to 75, then okay, then we'll say here grade is equivalent to A. Same. Okay. Else, this else should be end of this the same line. Okay. So this if and else, this is the same line. Yeah. Then here, if so if what is the next condition? If m greater than, so here greater than equal. Here m greater than equal 65, then okay, then grade is equal to B. Else so then else if yes, then you have to say here grade is equal to C. Then else okay, else CSE, then here if m greater than equal to 35, then grade is equal to S. Else what you do is finally, if it is not, no, then finally if not all the condition are false, then what you do, you say grade is equal to F. Okay. So then, okay, see the way, say the if condition, you see, if else. So if the marks, suppose if you enter 80, if you enter the marks 80, it will do only this part and this complete else part is ignored. Say for the marks, if you enter, say 70, so this will not satisfy, then it will come to this part. And it will take this and this else part will not be executed. So if you come to this condition satisfied mean this else part will not be executed. So now we have to print the grade. So we'll say write ln. So grade is equal to, say then the grade. Okay. Semicolon. So here now when I run it, enter the marks. Say 89. Say grade is equal to A. Again, if if you say marks is equal to 70, middle grade is equal to B. Are you clear? This part is clear?
Yes, uncle.
Right. So then, so you can type and see when you have free time. So then, next thing is the case statement. So how we'll see how we can do this case statement. So have you done this case statement?
No, uncle.
Right. So then I will do the case statement here. So case statement is another way of doing the if condition. So make it, this one is simple. Then say here, other than using if then else condition repeatedly, it is easier for the use the case statement. So the program length of the program is very small if you use the case statement. Right. Here see, I will, yeah, anything you want to ask?
No, uncle.
Right. So I'll take another program, new program, case statement. Marks integer, grade, character. Okay, right. Say now here we'll say write ln, say write ln, enter mark. Okay. Then say read marks. Okay. So then here case, we'll say case marks of case marks of case marks of 0 to 34. 0 to 34. Then grade become W. Okay. So then again 35 to 49. Grade S. Okay. Then 50 to 64. Grade okay. Then 65 to 74. Grade B. Then 75 to 100. Else right ln invalid marks. Okay, then N. Okay, so here, okay, then what you do is, if the mark is if the marks greater than equal to 0 and if the marks is less than equal to 100, then you will say right ln grade is comma grade. Okay, we'll see how it is going to work. Okay, when you run it, what happens? Say what happens is here. Say if you enter, say you enter 70 marks. So the input is here, the marks will get 70. So it will check whether it is in the first range. No. Whether it is in the second range. No. So third range. No. Then it will go, definitely it is in this range. So then it will get the grade B. As soon as you executed one path, it will come out of the case statement and it will check marks greater than 0 and marks greater than, yes, it is 70 is greater than 0. It's greater than 70 and it is less than 100 and it will print the result. Okay. So we'll run and see. Syntax error. Expected but found, yes. What is the marks? Where is the problem? Yeah, it is semicolon. It is semicolon here. Yeah, enter the mark 70. You see grade is B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, then that is about the conditions. Now today we will start with the repetition part. Okay. So the repetition part. So the repetition uh, so these are the code I will paste and send it to you, that if conditions codes are here. In your document, I will paste it here. Okay, all the codings are here. Right. Okay. Now today we will start with the repetition part. So, uh, so that is a for loop. Okay, we'll see how this for loop is going to work. Okay, so for loop actually now say for loop, if you say 1 to 5 means starting value 1, ending value 5, it is doing 5 times. If it is 0 to 4 means 4 times. So, sorry, 5 times because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 to 10 means it is 6 times. Okay. So 5 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we will see how this part is going to work now. Okay. Printing the values of 1 to 10. Okay, printing the values of 1 to 10, we'll see how the for loop is going to work. Okay, so now I am going to study about, so here in this note, I have put all the if condition coding here. So now all the if conditions coding are here. Now we are going to study, our topic is repetition. So okay, under the repetition, now we are going to study about the for loop. Okay. Okay, now we'll take a simple program to understand this concept. So how do you go to Pascal? I'll close everything now. So here, online Pascal compiler. Okay, I am going to type, I'm going to write a simple for loop. Okay, I'm going to write a simple for loop. So I will say variable count integer. Variable count integer. Then I'll say for count count 1 to 10 do. Write ln count. Okay. Then what will happen is here, when you run the code, you'll see, you understand this? When you say here count integer, count 1 to 10, that means it will count, say it is 1 to 10, it will printing like this. You understand this part?
Yes, uncle.
Suppose if I put right here, what will happen? Instead of right, say for example, this is first example. We'll copy this.
All the numbers will be in a one line, right?
Yeah. So now here, if you type, say if you type here, say if you type here right, then execute. You said as you said, yes, correct. You are correct. Very good. So the output will be in all in one line. Okay, the output will be all in one line. So now, okay, right. Now what I want to do is I want to do a small work here. Okay, say I want to while it is during this loop, I want to get the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, I want to get the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. How can I modify the coding now? So this part is okay. So this part is okay, but I want to add 1 plus. So during this loop, I want to add, say I want to do something like this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 10. How do you add that number? How do you modify this code? Carefully see how we are going to do it. I need a variable for that one. I will define sum is integer. Okay. So in the for loop, I have more than one statement mean it should be under the begin and end. So I have to put a begin. So begin and end. Okay. So then I want to say I am going to add to the sum variable. Then I will say sum is equal 0. And before the loop, on top of the loop, I will say sum is equal 0. Okay, then here I will say inside the loop, I will say sum is equal. How do you change it? What is the statement you will? Sum is equal what? Sum. Can you complete that statement? Sum is equal what? Sum is equal what? Sum is equal sum plus what? Sum is equal sum plus what? Sum plus. What is the answer? Sum plus what? I want to at the sum of 1 to 10.
Sum plus count.
Sum plus count, yes. So sum plus count. Okay. Then what will happen? So then after the loop, I will say write ln. Say write ln. So we'll say write ln. Better to put a write ln statement because then this one is in the same line. No, write ln. Yes, you say write ln. So we'll say the total is say sum and the close bracket. Okay, let me run the code. You understand? This type of things you must need for the exam. So during the loop, you get the total. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then, okay. So that is the first thing. That is the first thing they are explaining. Right. Now I will here in this coding. What will happen is here. Can you see this coding and understand what will happen here?
Okay.
Here we are. Here we are going to. Here we are going to enter some 10 numbers. This loop is going to work 1 to 10. So they are automatically that question only add 1 to numbers 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here you are the input is going to be add. You understand? So clear this. That means you are going to this is the SCSC, whatever the input will be added to the total. So in this question, it will be working like this. Say you will be entering some 10 numbers like this 2, 3, 5, 1, 2. So like that you will be entering 6 numbers, say 4, 3, 2, 1. So after that what will happen is it will add these numbers together and print the total and the average. Okay. So can we do this and see? Okay, right.
Okay.
Okay, then I will keep the structure and I will remove this part. And I will remove this part. Right. So I need a variable for the I, comma, number to get the total integer. Integer. Then average real. Okay, right. Then here, then what we'll do is initially we'll say total. Total is equal to 0. Total is equal to 0. Then we'll say 4. I is equal to 1 to 10. Right ln. Read ln. So you can say read number. Say total is equal to